Today we're going to wall mount our tool battery charger. Clean, simple, and professional. But first, fail. Yeah, that's what happens when your charger isn't mounted properly. Let's fix that. Right here, on the back of the charger, you can see the mounting slots. These are the key points that will hold everything on the wall. A lot of people try to eyeball this part, but that usually leads to crooked chargers or loose mounts. So to make things easier, I grab some masking tape and place it directly on the base of the charger. This simple trick helps me transfer the exact hole positions to the wall without measuring. Now I mark the holes on the tape using a pencil or marker. Once that's done, I carefully stick the tape on the wall where I want my charger to live permanently. Before drilling anything, I grab a spirit level to make sure everything is perfectly straight. Trust me, taking a few seconds here saves a lot of frustration later. A straight charger doesn't just look better, it also helps the battery slide in smoothly every time. Next, I use the drill to lightly mark the wall through the tape, just to create guide points. Then I remove the tape and drill the actual holes. Normally I'd use a vacuum to collect the dust, but my vacuum was in another spot, so I'm using compressed air instead. Not ideal, but at least it keeps things reasonably clean. If you're doing this at home, definitely use a vacuum. Your lungs will thank you. Now we insert the wall plugs. Make sure they sit flush with the wall so the screws can hold properly. After that, I screw in the screws, leaving them slightly sticking out. This is important because the charger needs that space to slide in and lock. You'll probably need to adjust the screws in or out. Every wall is different, and every charger fits a little differently. Take your time here. Small adjustments make a big difference. Time for the first test. Yeah, not great. And here comes another fail, but no worries. We don't quit. This is totally normal on the first try. I simply pull the screws out a little more so the charger can grab properly, and now, much better. You can see that once the charger is placed, I push it downward so the base locks onto the screws. Solid, no movement. Exactly what we want. This is the moment you know it's mounted correctly. Now your charger is off the bench, off the floor, and safely on the wall. That means more workspace, better organization, and faster access to your batteries. Finally, I attach the battery, and we're done. Clean setup, charger secured, and a much more professional looking tool area. If you're building your own tool wall or organizing your garage, this is a must do. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, smash subscribe, and join the Mr. Eaglestone crew for more DIY projects, tool tips, and workshop upgrades. See you in the next one.